All right, hey everyone, we're Horus. We're a team here at Treehacks, and we're developing a live video monitoring system. Horus, our application, is basically able to take any video stream, identify incidents that are deemed flaggable by users, and in real time actually contextually communicate these incidents with users. So what does Horus look like? We're just on the command line right now, but basically, um, users are prompted, whether through UI or CLI, to input flags, and these are natural language queries that allow Horus to know what exactly is considered an anomaly or behavior to track. So we'll start with simple objects and then move on to actions. So here, we can put in a water bottle, a pencil, a wallet. I'm just actually naming stuff around me. We could even do the Treehacks hacker card. Let's do that. A white card and lanyard. Let's see how that looks. So basically, Horus is able to take in this query and provide relevant chunks of frames. So I'm not going to show it right now. Apparently it saw it, but it's able to see what the lanyard looks like. And so what Horus does is it is able to provide me a phone call.
Key to execute your code.
And what this does is able to contextualize
Hello, how do you
information.
usually use your white card and lanyard? Great. What is the specific function of your white card?
I just use it to do Treehacks at Stanford Hackathon.
That's interesting. A white card typically signifies access identification or authorization in various environments. In your case, for Stanford Hackathon, it serves as your entry pass and identification.
Thank you
Let's
so
explore
much.
the role.
Let's actually stop the conversation here so I can continue on with the demo. Okay, bye-bye. So basically, when a flag is raised, Horus is able to send a request to Twilio to actually call me, which is the user. The user then basically gets a contextualized conversation, as you just saw, talking about the white flag and whatever the user queried in. And on to action. Horus is actually able to detect pretty well in real time, even when it's just naively chunking parts of the stream together into sequences. We're hoping to implement a dynamic chunking system later, but here, let's just say a user wants to see when someone jumps. So we can run this, and it can be natural and say person jumping. And this is gonna look kind of ridiculous, but let's see it. So I'm not gonna jump for a while. And we can see that there's zero relevance here. So there's no indication of jumping. If I hold my wallet here, no jumping, right? But the second I start jumping up and down, like this, Horus is able to detect it and shoot me a phone call.
Message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code.
Hey, looking good. Need any tips or just cheering on while you're jumping?
I'm good. You're kind of weird for looking at me jumping.
Haha, sorry about that. I just couldn't resist your awesome energy. Keep up the great work. How high can you go?
All right, I don't really want to talk to you anymore. Bye-bye. So, limitation-wise, we've noticed a few things. Horus is able to perform really well on simple actions, but on complex logic or in-depth user interactions, it doesn't really do as good. So we're planning to integrate YOLO V8 or some pose recognition models into our pipeline just to work towards solving this. So how exactly does Horus work? We've been working on zero-shot action recognition tech, and that's what we really think makes our tech stand out. So basically, our system, Horus, is able to understand and identify any behavior the user inputs within these video streams without actually prior explicit training on those actions. And so as you just saw, users can define what behaviors they consider important or concerning just through natural language inputs, and they are able to be communicated to directly whenever these behaviors occur. And so after these behaviors occur, we saw that our system identifies flaggable behavior and it uses Twilio to allow for real-time communication. Twilio isn't just talking to them, but they actually have contextualized an environment, meaning that it's able to provide the user with information on many things. But as of now, Twilio is contextualized only with the flaggable behavior the user provides, but we're planning to build it out. And so this could look like, one, past incidents or behaviors that are stored in our database. Two, custom toolkits Twilio can call, such as call rerouting or necessary platforms. Or 3, even a persistent user cache over multiple Horus sessions. So yeah, that's basically Horus. We'll be talking more about our tech stack in person, but it's just been really, really fun building and hacking for the past 48 hours. As a team, we really believe that Horus is just a super comprehensive solution just for dynamic incident detection, and we really want to build out just this generalist framework that anyone could use and could have wide application. And so we believe, this is Horus's tagline: Horus does one thing best: helping users know when something is happening and helping them actually do something about it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.